I am Aisali and you are watching Saiba News HD. Now we add news.
And I am Nusrat Kamar, now adding news from Lahore. As per ISPR Certificate Award Ceremony for Internship course for university students at Maritime Centre Royal of Excellence, Lahore. Closing and Certificate Award Ceremony of Internship course for university students was organized by Maritime Centre of Excellence at Pakistan Navy War College on Friday, 7 February 2025. The internship course was conducted as part of MCE's outreach activities with an aim to promote maritime awareness and overcome sea blindness in the country. During the course, aspects related to blue economy, maritime security, maritime blindness, and their interplay in the geopolitics were covered. A special focus was on developing critical and analytical thinking and research work. Total 17 interns from various national universities from across Pakistan, including students from universities in Balochistan and Central Punjab, attended the course. Chief guest at the occasion, Rear Admiral Jawad Ahmad Halal Imtiaz Military Commandant PNWC awarded certificates to the graduating participants during the ceremony. During closing remarks, Chief Guest appreciated the efforts put in by all the participants to meet the course requirements and advised them to understand and promote maritime potential of the country and play individual part while being in any capacity to capitalize on the opportunities offered in maritime domain.
For more updates, connect with Saiba News HD.